So today we are at Araliya Beach Resort Unawatuna. So today we are at Araliya Beach Resort Unawatuna. What were your first impressions of the place, of the entrance?
It's very Sri Lankan.
What do you mean Sri Lankan? With the elephants and stuff.
Yeah, it's nice.
The entrance was pretty nice. But then in the entrance there were these buggies and all. That was pretty nice, no?
Yeah,
To pick us up from the car park.
It was faster than the one there was in Blitz, right?
Yeah, it was pretty fast. It was nice. What about the room?
It's good, it's really nice.
Room is pretty decent, man. I've seen better though. It's very salty and stuff, no?
Yeah,
The floor.
it's not clean. But overall it's really nice. Like there's enough lighting.
I think the whole environment is nice, like the surrounding. Like there's so much to do. So like we have to go and see now what other stuff are there to do. So where are we starting from? First the pool or first we're gonna just look around?
We'll look around, check the place out, what else is
And
there.
then the pool.
Apart from the pool.
And
There's
then the
more
pool.
to life than pool.
I'm sick also. Dude, I'm gonna fall sick today properly. But can't miss the pool.
Yeah, of course.
You're not gonna miss the pool?
Maybe.
Hey!
Dude, those guys closed. He closed the lift and then I tried to open it and then it
didn't
went
open.
up.
kids play area was really fancy, no?
Right?
So nice. How big was that TV, man? Massive TV.
Dude, I want to go in that.
It's unfair, dude, because it's only for kids. I want to watch a movie there.
Yeah, we can watch a cartoon movie there.
But that's for kids, no, man.
So what?
I don't think we can sit and watch. They'll chase us out.
We're parents.
I don't pay what the hell.
And we're babysitting. So.
How's the surprise? How's the surprise?
It's really sweet. Literally. Thank you.
You want another bite, man? All that makeup, huh?
No makeup.
No makeup. Show your face, no. See.
You literally put it in my nose.